think you need to be a tech genius to create a website? Nope, not even close. What if I told you it's not just possible, but it's easier and faster than ordering a pizza? No, seriously.
Finally, took you long enough.
Okay guys, so today I'm not just going to show you how to make a website in 10 minutes, I'm giving you the easiest, fastest and most effective way to bring your vision to life. No coding, no frustration, just pure results. So whether you're starting a side hustle, growing your business, or finally getting your project online, this is the solution you've been waiting for. And here's the kicker. Your professional website will be live and ready to share before that pizza gets cold. So grab a slice and let's get to it. Okay, so the very first step is to set up our server. So the server where you will host your website. Now, to be honest, that's usually where it gets complicated and where most people give up already. But don't worry, because I've got you covered with the ideal solution. So for this, we're going to use Hostinger. Now, to make this super easy for you, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says Get Hosting Now. Now, this link will take you to a dedicated landing page that I have with Hostinger, specifically designed for my viewers. Now, from that page, Hostinger has simplified the entire onboarding process. So as a result, it's incredibly easy to set up your hosting, no technical headaches, no hassle at all. And again, this streamlined setup is only available if you click on that link. And it gets even better. I've negotiated discounted prices of up to 85% off. And you can use also an exclusive coupon code MrWeb that will give you an additional 10% discount at checkout. Now, let's click together on this link in the description and let me show you how easily you can set up your hosting. So there it is. So this is the co-branded page that we have with Hostinger. And as you can see, you can save up to 85% of their hosting plans. So these are special conditions again that we have with them. As you can see, I'm recording this at the moment during the Black Friday season. So it's a specially discounted price, heavily discounted price, I should say, of $1.95. The normal price, guys, normally is $2.99 throughout the year, okay? So these are, again, special conditions during the Black Friday. If you're watching this during Black Friday, take advantage of it. Otherwise, normally it's only $2.99 anyways, you know? So to get access to those prices here, all you have to do is claim the deal. And I need to select one of those plans. So we have Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup. So as you can see, it starts at $1.95 per month. Again, normally during the year, it's only $2.99 anyways, you know. And obviously, as the price increases, you get a more powerful server and more resources as well. Now, initially, if I were you, I would start with this one here at $1.95 per month. And then you can always upgrade to the next one up if you need more resources. So like I said, it's normally $2.99 during the year. You know, it's $1.95, a special offer during the Black Friday season. But what you get for that price, well, you get a lot actually. Well, you can host up to 100 different websites. It's a fully managed WordPress hosting, 100 gigabyte of SSD storage space. And believe you me, that's a lot already. Now, if you scroll down the page, you also get unlimited free SSL certificates. So this is very unique, you know. Normally, most hosting companies would charge you between $9.99 up to $25 per year per website just for the SSL certificate. You also get free email and free weekly backup as well. And this initially is more than you need. Now, like I said, if you want to move to the next one up, you'll get daily backups as well or on demand. And obviously the resources will increase as well accordingly. So for now, I would say use this one here, which is absolutely fine. Click on this button here, choose plan. And now right here, you have to select your billing cycle. So you can lock in that price for up to 48 months, which is absolutely amazing. In which case you save $528 costing you only $93.60 for 4 years. Now again, normal price is $2.99, so this can vary during the year. Again, this is a special offer, Black Friday offer, okay? So as you can see here, select your price that you want. Again, the highest saving you can make is with the 48 months period. And then right here, guys, I have a coupon code as well. So right here, enter Mr. Web, all in capital letters, and then apply. And there you go. As you can see, now it's only $84 instead of $93. So that means that now you're saving $537 in total. So this is absolutely amazing, guys. Okay, so next, click continue and then proceed to checkout. And once you've gone through the checkout process, you'll be redirected to this onboarding page here. So first, you need to create your login details or your credentials for your WordPress account. So this is going to be a WordPress website, which is great, guys, because that means you can customize everything that you want and always add features later on in the future. So first, select your language and then enter your credentials. So this is basically your email address and password. And then next, we need to select the type of website we're going to build. So what type of industry are you in? Is it a business or services that you provide? Maybe it's a portfolio if you are maybe a graphic designer or something like this, online store, affiliate marketing, blog, or perhaps something else altogether. So in our case here, let's say we're going to build a website for a nail salon. So this would fall under the business and services section. So click next. Very good. And now this is where the magic happens. So you can use pre-built websites and themes, but this requires quite a bit of background knowledge about WordPress and how to build websites. Whereas here we can create a website using AI, and yet it will still use WordPress as the main content management system. So this is the beauty of this. So select create a website with AI, and then click next. And right here, you have to select your domain name. So all you have to do is basically start typing away. So let's say the business name could be Trendy Nails, and they would be based in Dublin. Okay, so Trendy Nails Dublin. And let's see if this is available. Excellent. As you can see, trendynailsdublin.com is available. So you can select this one and then next. And as you can see, now it starts installing WordPress. So this is going to take a few minutes. Very good. So that's done already. And the next step is simply to enter our details. So tell us about your website. So the brand name, like we said, Trendy Nails. Okay. The website type. So this would be business and services. And then you have to describe your website. So I'm just going to copy and paste the description that I have here. Could be something like this, create a website for a family-run nail salon called Trendy Nails. Design it to be modern, inviting, and easy to navigate. Include 3 pages and then the detail with those 3 pages here. And then ensure the design is responsive for mobile, tablet, and desktop viewing. After this, create. And there you go. As you can see, it started creating this for us. And again, that shouldn't take too long. And there you have it, guys. This is our website. So hero section here, Trendy Nails Salon, perfect. A family legacy, great. Lovely pictures as well. Nail art, I love that. Lovely images indeed. Scroll down and a few testimonials, perfect. So we have more than one page. You have the About Us page as well. Our family story, like we said, is a family-run business. Trendy Nails, our story, our commitment, perfect. Our services now, nail care, nail art, lovely pictures again. I like this section here, book your appointment. I think this is very inviting indeed. And then finally, contact page. We have another picture here, location, Google Maps, perfect. And then again, book your appointment. And then obviously the footer section here, and then we can customize everything ourselves as well. So let's say you're happy with it, you can confirm and edit, or if you want to see if you can come up with something else, you can create again. So in this case, let's say we're happy with it, confirm and edit. Very good, and now we're ready to customize the content of our homepage. So this is Gutenberg, this is the page editor that's built into WordPress. And as you can see, all you have to do is to hover on top of the different elements, and then you can customize its content. So first, let's take care of our header section. As you can see, we have no logo at the minute, so let's upload our own logo. So all you have to do basically is to double click on it, and it will open up separately. Now you can customize your header. So let's upload our logo first. So click on this. As you can see, choose logo, and then upload logo, and then select the logo you want to upload. So this one, for instance. Okay, so open. Excellent. So as you can see, now it's displaying by the side, and now you can use the handle here to make it bigger or smaller. So you don't want your logo to be too big either, just a happy medium, maybe just about there. Now, obviously, we don't need the name next to it anymore. So click on it, click on those 3 dots, and then delete. That's it. And that's about it. Okay. Now we can click save, save. And let's go back to our page. And now we can start customizing the content of our page. So it's pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. We're going to go through this in just a few seconds. So basically, if you wanted to change the content, all you have to do is to hover on top. So this one, Trendy Nail Salon, this is fine. Maybe you want to change this experience exceptional nail care in the warm, inviting family atmosphere. Maybe we can put here Dublin base family atmosphere. So we know where we are exactly. And that's basically it. Now, let's say if you wanted to change the picture here, simply click on it and then replace, upload picture. And let's upload our own salon. Perhaps this is our actual premises. Open. And there you go. As you can see, totally different feel already. And obviously this is a personalized picture of your actual premises. And then you would do the same with the rest of the page. Obviously, you know, if you scroll down the page, as you can see, you have the heading here, our family legacy, or maybe you want to say about our family legacy, or maybe about us all together. You know, like I said, it's very easy to change the content. All you have to do is basically hover on top, highlight the section you want to change, and that's basically it. Okay. So now let's say you're not happy with a certain section, you want to remove it. Let's say you don't want those images here. As you can see, you can click on the image itself and delete it all together, or you can remove the whole section. If you hover on top or on the outside, as you can see, you have the whole frame. You can click on this and then delete. There you go. You got rid of those pictures now. Now, if you wanted to go back, you can always use this arrow here and go one step backwards. And there you go. Those images are back. So let's scroll down the page. Again, if you want to change anything here, click on it and change the content. Now, let's say you wanted to add something here, maybe in price list or something like this. Okay, maybe nail art. You have lovely pictures here. And before your happy customers, before your testimonials, maybe right here, you'd like to add maybe a price list. You can do that, no problem. Add block. And let's add maybe a table perhaps, okay? So just select this element here, there you go. So how many columns? Maybe 2 columns. You could have the name of the service in one and the price in the other. And how many rows? So let's say we provide maybe 5 or 6 different services. Let's go maybe with 6, okay? So create table, there you go. So right here we have service type and here price. Okay, so maybe you can put this in bold. Let's change this to bold again, and we type our services and prices here. So there you go, perhaps something like this, you know, manicure, pedicure, nail extension, and so on, and all the different prices here, so that your visitors know exactly how much you charge. And then now maybe on top we can put a heading as well. So again, we go just on top, click on the plus sign, look for heading, insert this, very good, and right here, type price list. Now you can center that as well if you want to, align center. And then the only thing left to do is to customize the footer section. As you can see, this is fine. All you have to do basically is change your email address and phone number and connect your social media accounts. Again, to customize this, double click on it. It will open up separately. And then right here, type your email address. And then your phone number. And right here we have the social icon, so click on that. And then if you have a TikTok account, simply type your TikTok address, your X account, your Instagram account, and Facebook as well. So let's say perhaps you don't have a TikTok account, you can delete this, no problem. Click on that and then delete. And again, if you made a mistake, you can always go back one step backwards. And if you wanted to add another one, so let's say perhaps you have YouTube as well, type YouTube, select the icon, click on it, and then enter your link here. So I'm going to put hashtag for now. And once this is done, you can go back to your main page and don't forget to click save. Save again. Okay, so let's have a quick look in the front end. So if you click on this, you can preview that on desktop, or tablet, or mobile. So preview in a new tab. And there you go. This is our new home page. As you can see, this is our own image. And normally, if you scroll down the page, we should also have our price list, which is right there, and our customized footer section. So all together, that looks really professional indeed. And obviously you do the same with the other pages, about us, services, and contact. For this, you go back to your Gutenberg page, click on the WordPress logo, go back to the WordPress dashboard. From here, you go to your pages, and then you can repeat the same steps with the about, contact, and services page.